Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap right now, we're currently sitting at $2.34 trillion, up 0.7% in the last 24 hours. And BTC dominance continues to pull down and we're currently sitting at 49.7%. But if we're looking at the overall market, we are seeing a lot of green across the board, and that is to be expected. Bitcoin dominance is falling down, so the money is going into altcoins right now. But today I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Theta Network. So let's bring up Theta Network. So if we're looking at Theta Network's price right now, Theta Network is trading at $13.84. It's up 14.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 14.1% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at the rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, it's on top 15 ranking, and a market cap right now is $14 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.27 billion. Let's zoom out. If we zoom out, we are seeing that Theta is up in the last 30 days 76.3%, and in just the last 7 days it's up roughly 10%. So a lot of people are talking about this news that came out from Theta themselves. They posted this on their Medium, and that is Theta awarded third U.S. patent, 10,979,467 for method and system for peer discovery in a decentralized data screening and delivery network. We're pleased to announce that today Theta Labs was awarded a third U.S. patent for a method and system for peer discovery in decentralized data streaming and delivery network. This groundbreaking innovation extends Theta previous U.S. patent introducing viewers nodes that leverages a superior peer discovery system to optimize decentralized video delivery. So this has a lot of people getting excited that Theta might see some newer highs, and I believe that as well. I believe we will see some newer highs for Theta. As you guys may know, I made a full in-depth video on Theta. If you have not checked that out, I strongly encourage you to go check that out. Theta is a very good project. It has a real use case. What they are doing, they are trying to tackle a problem that exists right now, and I believe the way they are doing it is very well. And the team is built with some big players that have industry experience and that can bring that experience over to Theta and learn from their mistakes. So with Theta, they do not make those same mistakes. So that's what we have been seeing. Due to the fact that Theta has been doing such good things, we have been seeing this price action that we are seeing right now, and this goes to show projects with real use case do tend to do very good when people do their research, and this is exactly what we're seeing right now. Theta is partnered with some big companies, and I believe Theta does have a huge potential this will run. But if we're looking at Theta's price right now, because that's the most important thing that a lot of people want to know right now, Theta is doing something very interesting right now. Theta has been in this accumulation zone since 24th March. There is a very strong support around this around $11.28. It's a very strong support, but there's a very strong resistance around that $13.93 as well. If you guys see right now, you could see Theta touched this resistance once. No, this was the first time, but it got rejected twice, 3 times, and we finally broke this recently and hit an all-time high of $15.89. We finally broke that, and that was a newer all-time high for Theta. If we check how far it's down from its all-time high, we're currently down roughly 13%. So where could I see Theta go now? So like I said, Theta has been in this accumulation zone for a while. since March 24th, which in my opinion is very healthy. When a coin goes up this high, it's always bullish to see the coin consolidate and trade sideways for a while, and accumulate in the accumulation zone, and that's exactly what we're seeing here right now. And I believe this accumulation zone is coming to an end. And what really makes me bullish is this wick that we saw right now. That goes to show there is interest coming in. As you guys may know, there is Theta Mainnet 3.0 that is coming out in 74 days. This did get postponed. It was supposed to come out earlier, but it got postponed by the Theta team. But I believe as we get closer and closer to this date, as we get closer and closer to this date, Theta, there's going to be a lot of excitement built up around Theta, and we will see more price action as well. We're in an altcoin rally. If you guys don't know, if you guys have not seen this chart, I'll share this with you guys. Euro Sniper posted this, and he said the biggest alt run in the history is starting. And this was a previous bull cycle that we saw, and this was where the altcoin season began, and then we saw this parabolic run back in 2017. This is where we are right now for altcoins, guys. And if history were to repeat itself, which a lot of analysts are calling, we are calling this altcoin season to be the biggest altcoin season we have ever seen. And if we were to see this type of magnitude of a bull run, like, sky's the limit for a lot of altcoins, especially the ones with a working product, real use case, such as Theta is one of them. So so that is that for Theta. I believe Theta will see some sort of a new price, newer highs, especially if we were to see some more volume kick in. We are seeing a lot of volume right here, guys. A lot of volume is coming in here, as you guys can see. So that's a bullish sign. If we hold right now, Theta is holding literally on this resist, like right below this on this resistance right now. It's literally there. If we push further and get a little bit more volume in, I believe we will see newer highs, and $20 would be the next target for Theta for me. I believe Theta will touch 20 cents, $20 next. But like I said, only time will tell. But as I said earlier, considering what Theta is doing, the project is really good. They're tackling a real problem right now that exists in streaming services, and they're tackling it in a unique way through blockchain. So I believe that is very bullish, and a lot of big backers are backing Theta. This community is very strong, and that goes to show there is a lot of interest in Theta. And one thing that I don't like about Theta is the volume is a very low, $1.2 billion. I believe it should be a little bit higher. But like I said, if a volume were to kick in a bit more, I believe we will see newer highs very, very soon, considering the fact, as I mentioned, accumulation zone is coming to an end. I'm very confident after I saw this wick where we saw a newer all-time high. I believe accumulation zone is coming to an end for Theta. But like I said, as we get closer and closer to the mainnet 3.0, excitement levels are going to increase. And as you guys may know, we're in an altcoin season, and if we were to get that type of parabolic run we saw back in 2017, Theta can see some crazy numbers this year alone, considering what they are doing. And as you guys may know, the community is very strong. If we're looking at Google Trends, we are seeing reversal in the Google Trends. People are starting to research more and more about Theta, and that's a bullish indicator on its own. So that is that for Theta. I believe once we break, see a little bit more volume, break this a strong resistance that is very crucial, we will see newer highs, and the next target would be $20 for me. But with that being said, I think I am going to wrap up today's video. Before I leave, I want to say, guys, always invest what you can afford to lose. Never throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. And always do your research and due diligence. And a lot of people, I just want to, before I end this video, a lot of people are saying, I've been noticing a lot of people are saying Theta is done. This is it for Theta. Guys, patience is key in this market. Patience is key. Imagine, the people that bought 1 year ago. Let's go here. 1 year ago, it was at roughly 0.77 cents. If we go around here, so let's say you did your due diligence and research, and you had $1,000 to invest into crypto, and you bought at 0.0777 cents, and you would have gotten so 1,000 divided by 0.077, you would have gotten 12,987 theta. And let's say you believed in the future what theta was solving, you believed the vision, you saw where it was gonna be, and you held strong. And right now that would have been that $1,000 would have been $180,000. So my reason for showing this is that this goes to show, if you do your due diligence and research and invest what you can afford to lose and actually believe in the project and hold and have patience, your patience will be rewarded. And the people that bought back last year around at these levels at 7 cents and actually held and like had strong hands, they're being rewarded heavily, and they deserve it. They deserve it, truly deserve it. So that's just an example of doing the research and believing in a project and holding, and rewards do get distributed once the time comes. But that's it for Theta. Let me know your comment in the comment section below where you could see Theta go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers very soon. And thank you for all your guys' support. It means the world to me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. But with that being said, guys, I am going to wrap up today's content. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.